Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have your piping hot cup of coffee ready to roll because Ridge has their newest ceramic powdered wallets in the different colors, which are absolutely phenomenal. We're going to get right on into this video. And Ridge is having their Black Friday Cyber Monday sale, November 22nd through November 29th. Use the direct link below in the description box of this video and take advantage of their Black Friday Cyber Monday deals and pick up your ceramic powder wallet or their new Hyper Lime wallet or any of their other products. What do you got? Well, we have the eucalyptus. So as you open up on the box here, this is just like all the Ridge wallets. You're going to have your little brochure on the top. It's going to come with a Ridge sticker, which is really awesome. Throw that on your water bottle. And then, ooh la la, the beautiful color. You also have a screwdriver and extra screws for your wallet. Look at those colors. Good night. That is beautiful. Check that out. They have matched the color of the cash strap now. That is a cool feature. Goodness. And then notice how this has brushed nickel screws as well. Again, the eucalyptus. And then that's actually brushed nickel on the inside. That's a cool color. Okay, so let's take a look at what it looks like. I got cash right here. I got a $20 bill. And what you do is you just kind of fold it in thirds, slip it under the cash band here. And it's a little bit hidden, so you're not gonna wanna display anything like a $100 bill or anything like that, but of course you can carry your cash. Now flipping it around here, I have 8 cards in here, but of course it holds up to 12. Okay, and then what I personally do is, again, I just use my thumb to fan it up and out, so you can pull them all out if you want to. Of course, I'm not gonna do that for the internet on my credit cards, but you have your most used card, what I like to do on the front or on the back. And so let me go ahead and show you here. So what I do is I just pull it out like that. I got my shopper's card right here on the back or my Costco card right here on the front. Pull that out, put back my credit card so I don't show that information on the internet, and bada bing, bada boom. And then the easiest thing to do is when you put it back, you just go ahead and fan it out a little bit, slip it in, pull it out, slip it in, and then go ahead and pop it back into place right there. Again, cash on the back, cards right here. Those cards aren't going to go anywhere. If you flail it around, all that fun stuff there, and absolutely looking beautifully sharp with that color scheme right there. But let me go ahead and show you. Take them all out if you want to take them all out. Fan through them if you have something in the middle. Again, put your most used one on the front or back. That looks great. Next up is going to be the Sea Glass, and this is a light blue, which is a beautiful color as well. Goodness. Same brushed nickel hardware. Turning it around, you have, again, the matching color on the cash strap. Brushed nickel on the inside, and that is a gorgeous color. And lastly, Ridge does not forget about you ladies in the lavender color. Beautiful brushed nickel hardware, matching cash strap, brushed nickel on the inside, and that once again is gorgeous. Now Ridge is also giving you an extra perk with their holiday sale, which is extended through December 20th. With their holiday sale, you can use my link, once again, top link in the description box below of this video, where you can enter your email or your phone number for an SMS for a free chance to win a Ridge bundle worth $4,000. No purchase is necessary. So once again, use my link, top link in the description box below. Head on over and take advantage of not only their Black Friday and Cyber Monday deal, but their extended Shop the Holiday sale to enter your chance to win that bundle worth $4,000. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button once again on your way out, it helps the channel. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on the way. Also, consider subscribing if you'd like to see more videos like this, and check out the channel. Once again, top link in the description box below is your link for these wallets. We will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.